Welcome to Jean's Home Decor and More. If you are new, welcome, welcome. I am so happy that you stopped by my channel just to check out my Christmas table decor. If you are returning, welcome, welcome. I am so happy and appreciative that you have all stopped by to see what I've been up to for creating a tablescape for Christmas. So I just wanted to let you know that I dismantled, as I said in a previous video, I was going to dismantle my Thanksgiving decor just for a little bit, my tablescape for Thanksgiving just for a little bit. I'm going to put it back. But I bought some things this year from various stores, and I had some things here from past years. So I wanted to blend them in and just see what I could create for a Christmas tablescape. So let me just come in a little closer. As I mentioned in the previous video, I use my plates throughout the year because I like to transition these plates for each holiday. I don't see the need for going out and keep spending money for different plates. So what I have done here is I have changed out my table runner. I've had that table runner so long, but I love it. I can't even tell you where it came from. It's been around. It's a vintage table runner. As I mentioned in my haul, I got the picks underneath my Christmas tree napkins. I got those from the Dollar Tree. So this is just to kind of let you know that you can create an inviting tablescape with little, with very little money. You don't have to spend, a lot of money just creating a nice tablescape. These are Christmas tree napkins that I have decided to use for this particular decor. So just kind of moving along. The deer, if you recall, I got that from Ross. I like him because he's metal and he's sturdy. I don't have to worry about him breaking, and so he'll pack up nicely after the season is over. The greenery I got from Hobby Lobby, the Christmas fir, and the pine cones I also got from Hobby Lobby. The Christmas ornaments, those little festive balls, I got those from Ross. And I try to go to Ross on Tuesday because it's 5% off for seniors. The Centerpiece here, I got that greenery. It's the same as the greenery there. I got that from Hobby Lobby. And these little crystallized balls in the middle, they also came from Hobby Lobby. The poinsettias I've had for so long, I can't even tell you where they came from. The pine cone Christmas tree, I want to say that may have been my mom's. The charger plates, I also got those from Ross. And they have their little cutouts of Christmas trees and stars. So kind of moving around. As I mentioned earlier, the plastic cutlery I got from Party City because, this is nice. I mean, I put these dishes in the dishwasher, but I don't have to be bothered with dealing with any washing any cutlery. It's going right in their trash. I'm trying to save on myself. And so these little tabletop Christmas trees, I most likely have gotten them from Home Goods, although I've collected quite a number of them, and I have a lot of them in different colors. And I'll take you guys along on my Christmas tour for my space, but I have quite a few tabletop trees, but I just decided to use these. And just kind of moving along. Now this particular Christmas tree napkin, I folded a little bit different. I just decided to fold it a little bit different so that it's longer. But just kind of moving around. So tell me what you think. Do you like these guys? I left this one blank because I thought that I would shoot another video right after this one showing how I folded up these Christmas tree napkins. Now let me just say one thing. It's nothing new or more original that I've done to fold these napkins up. You know, if I'm not mistaken, they say there are really very few, if any, original ideas. So, you know, I selected a Christmas tree napkin because I thought it was just festive. So, right after this, I'll attach a video showing how I folded up these Christmas tree napkins. But I just thought it was, you know, pretty festive. So, you know, let me know what you think. I appreciate it if you would like, comment, and subscribe. So I thought it was nice. I'm going to move over here to kind of show you what I have on this wall. And on top of this little buffet. So what I have here is a deer. I want to say maybe I got him from Ross, the poinsettias I've had, and the Christmas, the greenery there that I probably got that from Hobby Lobby last year with the berries on it. I'm pretty sure that that's where I got that from. I just tied a bow onto my deer, and there's Alexa. And then I got this deer. I just got them from Burlington Coat Factory. And the angel, I got her from Hobby Lobby. So, you know, again, I would appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of my table decor. This is just one look. I may change it up when we get closer to Christmas. I most likely will. I'll probably change it up for a different look you know, as we get closer. I just said that. I said that again. But I also have a Christmas tree pillow in the chair. And I guess I got that from Home Goods. So I just want to kind of show you what I did. So look at this, guys. Look at this, y'all. See this Thanksgiving? I didn't even take the napkins apart. Because when I finish this video, I'm going to put all of that stuff. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to put this up. And I'm going to put this back on the table for Thanksgiving. Because, you know, let me just say this. While I love Christmas, I don't want to bypass Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is such a beautiful holiday. And it's so meaningful. I don't want to pass up Thanksgiving, but I just wanted to give you an idea of something that I was thinking of in terms of a tablescape for the Christmas holiday. So let me know, what do you guys think? Please like, comment, and subscribe. And again, I appreciate all of you stopping by, and I hope you have a great weekend. Today is Friday, TGIF. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, I promised I would come back and show you how we fold the napkin. So as you can see, I'm folding the napkin in half, okay? Then I'm gonna fold it over in half again. Then I'm gonna turn it diagonally with the open ends close to you, okay? With that said, after we've done that, I'm going to take them and fold them up on an angle. So as you can see I have a little space around. Okay, I have a little space around. So I'm going to keep folding. I'm going to fold again. And I'm going to fold again. And then I'm going to turn them over. Hold your hand in place and turn it over. Then the pointed triangle is at the top. I'm going to take this side and fold it over a third of the way up. And then I'm going to take this side and fold it over. Okay? And then I'm going to turn it over again. Okay? So then what I'm going to do, guys, can you see that? I'm going to tuck it under. I'm going to tuck the next one under. And I'm going to just stop right here so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, and I'm going to tuck this one under. And I'm going to tuck the next one under. And I'm going to tuck this last piece, I'm going to tuck it all the way under. So it looks like a Christmas tree. Okay, so that's that. Real simple. Bye-bye.